Stop believing the lie that a no-cost refinance actually means you aren't paying a single penny for your new mortgage. Lenders aren't charities. Those thousands of dollars in closing costs are simply being hidden inside your new loan balance or a higher interest rate. If you roll $5,000 in fees into your loan, you are now paying interest on those fees for the next 30 years of your life. You need to calculate exactly how many months it will take for your monthly savings to pay back the true cost of the new loan. Many homeowners reset their 30-year clock just to save a few dollars a month, which actually costs them a fortune in total interest over time. I believe in total transparency and showing you the net tangible benefit before you ever sign a single document. We look at your total interest paid and your long-term goals to ensure a refinance actually puts more money in your pocket instead of the bank's. Don't let a flashy advertisement trick you into a bad financial move. So call me Duane Buziak at Coast to Coast Mortgage Lending, and let's run the real numbers.